I descaled my machine and then found I couldn't make any coffee. You also get it if the machine's been on the shelf for a long time. There are at least 5 solutions. I'm going to show you the easiest first. So here they are. I try the methods with and without the machine running. Don't worry if they don't work first time. The air-filled plastic zip bag is the method that worked for me. The machine's been in the cupboard for months, and so it's dried out and created the airlock. Well, and you're in no big rush to get your coffee. Why not try leaving it overnight? Fill up the reservoir to the maximum. So leave your machine just a little bit propped up, just help the air come through. Just to pump and just pump here. So I've now inserted the zip lock in there. I want to start off the machine. It's just got a used cartridge in it. So now I'm going to pump the water through. So this machine is actually working. I've already fixed this. So that's the zip lock. This is the method that actually worked for me. It didn't work first time, but it did work for me. Okay, method 5, we're going to blow through the hole with a straw. Use pliers to carefully remove the silver filter strainer. Then you can see the hole in the back. Blow through that with a straw, or I'm using a BIRO casing, plenty of water, or you can use a syringe.